From Level Interiors, Khairul Anwar.
We engage with Renopedia. Sorry.
Hi, my name is Hana. This is my husband, Khairul. We are the proud owners of a residence in Tampines. When we wanted to move, we know we needed to look for renovation ID. So we just happened to found the advertisement through Instagram.
We submitted our handphone number and our email address. It was just like a short period of time. Like within 30 minutes, they actually notified us on this service that they would like to provide us. And it was really very prompt and very detailed. We engaged with Level Interior. They actually compliment us with one whole patch of quartz for the kitchen. So that's one big thing that we don't even have to fork out.
They have very good service recovery. So if there are like just very minor hiccups, they compliment us with free things, or like they will add on some additional services that we didn't ask for in a good way.
I think most probably we will stash in our savings for future for our kids. I would highly recommend Renopedia because I think that they have this commitment of giving us the best quotations and also the services, the quality that they provide us. Definitely, if you're looking for established and proper IDs who won't beat around the bush, I think you highly engage them, really. Thank you, Renopedia!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.